In this presentation, we will be covering the characteristics of objects with a constant velocity. In this video, we are going to explain how to find the velocity of an object with a constant velocity, explain how to find the elapsed time of an object with a constant velocity, and explain how to find the displacement of an object with a constant velocity. Velocity is the speed of something in a given direction. Velocity is usually measured in a unit of distance over time, such as meters per second, kilometers per hour, etc. In this next clip, Alice is going to explain how to find the elapsed time of an object with a constant velocity.
Here's an example question. A rabbit hops towards a garden full of carrots at 5.5 meters per second. If the garden is 35 meters away, how long will it take the rabbit to reach the carrots? First, we know the rabbit is 35 meters away from the garden, and we know the rabbit is traveling at a 5.5 meters per second. The formula we're going to use is velocity equals displacement over time. Let's figure out what the velocity is. Velocity is 5.5 meters per second. It's already given. Displacement is 35 meters. We need to figure out how long, which is we need to figure out what time is. So we're going to plug these values into the formula. 5.5 equals 35 over t. We need to figure out what t is. Seconds.
In this next clip, Brandon is going to find the velocity of an object with a constant velocity.
Here is another example. A muscle car is driving in a street race and is near the finish line with a large lead. The finish is 926 meters away, but since the driver always loves going fast, he continues at the same speed until he passes the line. Since it took him 2 minutes to get there, how fast was the car moving? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over the formula for speed or velocity, which is velocity equals distance or displacement over time. Next thing we're going to do is go through the given in the problem, which the first is that the displacement is 926 meters and the time is 2 minutes. So we're going to jot that down over here. So you got displacement equals 926 meters. The time is going to equal 2 minutes. Since we're trying to find the velocity, and the units we use for velocity is meters per second, first thing we're going to do is convert these minutes to seconds. So we know that there's 60 seconds in 1 minute, and it took the driver 2 minutes to get to the finish line, so that's going to give us 120 seconds. And then we're going to plug that in, so the velocity is going to equal the displacement of 926 meters over the time of 120 seconds. And that's going to give us 7.717 meters per second. That's our final answer.
In this last clip, I'm going to show you how to find the displacement of an object with a constant velocity.
Here's an example question. A race car is on the final stretch of a race and is on its way to the finish line. The car is traveling at a constant velocity of 40 meters per second. The race car then takes 10 seconds to cross the finish line. How far did the race car have to travel during this time? So I'm going to start with the formula. Velocity equals displacement over time. And we have our velocity here at 40 meters per second, and we have our time, 10 seconds. So we can say 40 equals the displacement over time. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 10 to move this 10 over. And now we can say 400 equals S, and so which equals 400 meters. our final answer.
Thanks for watching, and we hope our video helped you out.